Prisma, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Kak.
Okay, Prisma, you are selected to speak with me today because you meet my research criteria as research subject, and my research aims to find out how you respond to the implementation process of several learning activities implemented by Miss Pipi during tree meeting last week.
Baik, Kak.
Okay, Prisma, so in this interview, I have several questions, and you may answer the question by using the language you feel comfortable with. You can use full English, mixed English and Indonesian, or full Indonesian. Jadi bebas ya, senyamannya kamu aja.
Baik, Kak.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, so we begin with the first question. Based on your participation in 3 Miss VP English Learning class meeting last week, what material topic you have studied?
The topic is about descriptive paragraph.
Okay, how did you feel after attending in 3 Miss Vivi English Learning class meeting last week?
I like Miss Vivi class
Why?
because Miss Vivi class is not make me sleepy. Miss Vivi ngajarnya asik.
I see. So now I will ask you about several activity in 3 Miss Vivi English class meeting last week.
Okay.
So do you still remember at 3 meeting last week there was an activity that divide the paragraph topic into several parts by creating keyword related to the topic paragraph. Jadi kegiatannya itu kayak ini loh, kayak kegiatannya itu adalah membagi topik atau judul paragraf menjadi beberapa bagian keyword atau kata kunci.
Oh iya, Kak, I know.
Good. So what do you think about these activities?
Maksudnya ini menurut saya gimana gitu, Kak?
Ya benar. Kayak gimana sih tanggapan, pendapat, ataupun perasaan kamu waktu pertama kali dikenalkan dan melakukan kegiatan yang disebutkan tadi? Apa kamu suka atau nggak suka? Kegiatan itu menyenangkan, membosankan, mudah, sulit, atau bagaimana?
Oh iya, Kak, ngerti.
Good. So what do you think about these activities?
Interesting.
Why did you say that these activities were interesting?
The activity interesting because maybe because the activity is nice to do.
So you mean these activities are interesting because it's easy?
Yes, the activity is nice and very easy.
Okay, I got it. So the next activity, searching and determining pattern for each keyword.
Itu kegiatan apa ya, Kak?
Jadi ini tuh kegiatan kalian yang mencari dan menentukan pola atau informasi berupa hal-hal yang berhubungan dengan setiap keyword dan kemudian disusun dalam kalimat. Kayak misalnya topiknya my teacher. Nah, dari situ keywordnya ada teacher 1, teacher 2, ada teacher 3, ya kan?
Oh, iya ya.
Nah, dari masing-masing keyword itu kalian tentuin polanya. Misal polanya itu ada 3, name, lesson, and class. Dan ini dibuat kayak di tabel gitu. Ada kok waktu itu Miss Pipi buat di papan tulis. Pasti kamu ingat.
Oh iya, saya ingat, Kak. Pas polanya ditaruh di table, baru kita isi nama, mapel dan kelas ngajar untuk masing-masing guru. Benar atau salah, Kak?
Ya benar, itu dia kegiatannya. Jadi bagaimana? What do you think about these activities?
Jujur ya, Kak, this is new activity because I just know the activity when Miss Vivi explain in the class.
Oh yeah, so you mean this is the first time you do this activity?
Yup, this is my first time, and I feel this is very good to use for make paragraph even I cannot do it quickly.
Okay, good. So now we move to the next activity. The activities are removing and replacing a repetitive word or sentence that are unnecessary or unrelated to the topic of the paragraph before the sentence are combined into paragraph. What do you think about these activities?
Ini tuh yang gabungin kalimat jadi satu kalimat itu ya, Kak?
Yes, that's right. Jadi waktu proses penggabungan kalimat ada proses menghapus bagian kata yang dikategorikan sebagai kata berulang. Jadi kata ini tuh udah disebut sebelumnya, terus dia muncul lagi di kalimat lain yang mau digabungin. Nah, kalau dijadikan dalam satu kalimat, otomatis harus dihapuskan salah satunya supaya kalimatnya jadi mudah dipahami dan nggak ada pemborosan kata dalam kalimat.
Oh ya, benar, Kak. Ada Miss Vivi jelasin waktu itu.
Nah, so what do you think about these activities?
I think it's little challenging.
Why? Can you tell me your reason?
Because I need extra focus when do this activity.
But do you feel difficult in doing these activities?
Actually not. I feel it a little challenging, but it is not difficult.
So your point is that these activity are easy, but they have little challenge because they need more focus. Jadi sebenarnya aktivitasnya itu mudah, cuman memang sedikit menantang karena butuh lebih banyak fokus dalam mengerjakannya, gitu ya Prisma?
Nah, itu Kak, the activity is easy, but it has a little challenging because I need extra focus.
Okay, I got it. So we move to the last activity. Applying, composing, and organizing descriptive paragraph by inserting topic point based on a paragraph structure that have been arranged with keyword and pattern sequentially. There are three sequence. First, inserting the main sentence, supporting sentence, and last conclusion sentence. So what do you think about these activities?
Sorry Kak, I don't understand. Can you explain in Indonesia?
Oh, sure. Jadi kegiatan ini dilakukan tuh di bagian akhir setelah semua topik paragrafnya memiliki kata kunci, memiliki pola, kemudian punya informasi yang lengkap dan sudah ready dalam bentuk kalimat yang telah melewati proses penggabungan kalimat dari setiap keywordnya.
Oh, itu.
Iya, Prisma. Nah, setelah semuanya udah ready, kamu tinggal menyusun dan memasukkan satu persatu mulai dari kalimat utama, kalimat supporting, dan kalimat kesimpulan. Ini semua itu dilakukan secara berurutan. Gimana? Udah paham belum Prisma?
Udah Kak, udah paham. Jadi ini tuh kegiatan yang digabungin semua kalimat terus disusun berurutan sampai jadi paragraf gitu kan Kak?
Ya, bener Prisma. So, what do you think about these activities?
I like this activity because the activity is not tricky.
So what do you mean by tricky?
Kayak semacam ribet gitu nah Kak. Jadi saya suka karena nggak ribet, cuman masukin kalimat aja.
I see. So you like this activity because it is not tricky?
Yep.
Okay, so the last question. After following all the steps, how is your opinion regarding the process of writing descriptive paragraph using Miss Pipi method?
Okay. First, the method is unique because it's different than others. Second, it is simple because the step is little. And third, the method is good to use because can help me in make a paragraph without busy.
Good answer, Prisma. I think enough for the interview. Thank you for your participation, Prisma.
Sama-sama Kak.